Right. Get the f on the ground! Give me your hands!
This Orlando hotel trespass case illustrates critical intersections of property law, constitutional protections, and use of force standards. Florida Statute 83.6 establishes that hotel guests staying less than 6 months are not tenants and receive no landlord-tenant protections. Hotels can immediately exclude guests whose reservations expire without formal eviction procedures. Under Florida Statute 810.08, trespass requires 2 elements: an authorized warning to depart and willful refusal after receiving that warning. Both were satisfied when hotel management delivered the statutory notice and the suspect refused to leave.
Hey, good, how are you? We have a guest in room 231 who was supposed to check out at 11 a.m. and he's refusing to leave. Okay. We tried contacting him several times and we knocked on the door, but he just won't leave the room. Okay. So he's in room what? 231. You can access through this very well. I think this will be the easiest way.
Correct. How long has he been staying here this go around?
Well, this time he only made the reservation for one night, but we called for him like I would say like a couple of months ago, because he was by the pool area and he was like staring at the wall for literally like 1 hour. So we called like for you guys to do.
So he checked in yesterday.
Yes.
And then he was supposed to check out. Gotcha. So he is.
Yeah, we've seen him already, but this time he only made for a one-night stay. I'm not sure if he has some issue with medication or possibly something, but he does act a bit weird sometimes.
Okay. You can use that too as something. Yeah.
Orlando Police.
Waiting on the cyber team.
I'm sorry?
Cyber unit's waiting on.
Cyber unit?
Yes, that's what I called for.
That's what you called for? Okay, could you step out and talk to us?
That's all I'm talking.
Can you step out and talk to us?
Sorry.
Hey, bud.
Step out and talk to us.
The hotel wants you
We
out
just
of
got a
their,
couple
out of their
questions.
room, okay?
Guess what?
What?
I paid for the room.
Yeah, they said you didn't pay for it tonight.
Well, why'd I get charged?
Come on,
Can
step
you show
out.
us where it charged?
Get the cyber team here so I can show them.
We're the cyber team.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are. Yep, see? Right there. Cyber team. Yeah, that's what this
Scott,
button is.
step out.
Mr. Scott, go ahead and step
Just
out.
talk to us.
Okay, cool. Mr. Scott, they want you trespassed from here. They want you trespassed from here. You haven't paid for today and they want you trespassed. It's transiency, occupancy laws. Okay, go. Call someone. Cool.
After gathering backup and consulting with their sergeant, officers return to the room and aren't taking no for an answer this time around.
You gonna come read this?
Well, let's let them know first.
Go ahead, no.
Like first.
Atlanta Police Department. Hey, it's the Atlanta Police Department. Mr. Scott, can you come out and talk with us for a moment? Mr. Scott. Mr. Scott, it's the Atlanta Police Department.
What did he say? He's dead serious about something? Alright, you wanna read that paragraph to him?
Just read all out from
Just read it out loud.
You are hereby notified that
Stand in front of the door.
you are hereby notified that this establishment no longer desires to entertain you as its guest, and you are requested to leave at once. To remain after receipt of this notice is a misdemeanor under the laws of this state.
All right, well, come out to us and let's talk about it.
Mr. Scott, this is your last opportunity to come out, or we're going to forcibly come inside. Okay.
You got the key? That's okay.
Open.
So, give me the key. Right.
Give me the key again. Right. Get the f on the ground. Give me your hands.
Stop resisting, sir! Stop resisting! Alright, slow down. Slow down, slow down. Take it. Slow down.
Coach.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You're good. No, I'm not good.
Don't talk. Keep talking.
I can't breathe. I'm not bro.
You good? He's good.
Oh, I'm not.
Okay, who's ever is on top, if once you guys secure him, we're probably gonna have to repobble him.
Wait. Hold it right there. Yep. Hold it.
Come on, let's let him through.
You got that?
Bring it to me.
Hold
Hold on.
Here. Check it. What is wrong with you?
Hey, give me a knife real quick.
Give you a knife. I can't breathe.
Hold still.
Please don't put some.
Hold still.
Come on, I can't breathe. Quit putting stuff on me. Jesus. I'm 220. Oh, brother.
Oh,
Sit up. The last time y'all did this.
Sit up.
When y'all got shot. When y'all got shot. You know, you that.
What'd you say?
The time y'all did this.
All right, get your legs working. Start walking. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
I'm trying to breathe.
Spread your feet.
Breathe. Deep breath. All right.
Deep breath.
Spread your feet.
That don't help anything.
Heart rate. Hey, has he got his backpack?
You know, last time you did this,
Give you ample opportunity to come outside.
I asked you to call one unit.
Quit moving.
I asked you to call one unit. You couldn't do it.
We're here, bro. I'm wearing glasses. You didn't say that?
I'm
on the side of you. I'm on the side of you.
Are you kidding me?
That's what you wanted, right?
Are you county?
Huh?
You're not even county. Orlando don't have
I'm
one.
on the side of the unit, bro.
Orlando don't have one, dipshit.
Oh, shit, you know.
Turn around.
Sure do. Guess what it is?
We're going this way or that
Something that's not in your investigation. I can't breathe. I think listen.
Air conditioner
Trying to
right
kill
there.
me.
All right, start walking that way.
Guess what you did? You killed one of theirs. You did.
Stop resisting. Follow their instructions.
We're trying to flex, bro.
No, I'm trying to fix the problem I have breathing, motherfucker.
Right.
Where's the EMT at? Where's the EMT at? Should be double cuffed. No, I'm not all right.
You want to check him again? Yeah, just
You call an ambulance.
Everything's okay.
For what?
I can breathe. I think heart rate meds. It is what it is. It's another day in Orlando, right? Check the move last time you're here. When your own died, you can sing that call.
Here, go around and get it.
I'll get it.
You gotta sit down.
Why do you need an ambulance,
I
sir?
can't breathe.
All right, just wait. We'll get you one.
You want me in or not?
In.
Look. All right, have a seat. Put your feet in.
The forced entry was constitutionally sound. Officers had probable cause to believe a misdemeanor was occurring in their presence. The hotel provided lawful access via keycard, eliminating breaking and entering concerns. Use of force must be evaluated under Graham versus Connor, establishing objective reasonableness through 3 factors. Factor 1. Trespass is a misdemeanor, weighing toward minimal force. Factor 2. Erratic behavior created safety concerns. Factor 3. Active resistance by pulling away and refusing commands justified physical control. Officers used empty hand techniques only. No strikes, no weapons, no prolonged restraint beyond securing handcuffs. This force was proportional and objectively reasonable under the totality of circumstances.
More testosterone. Doesn't this have to be prescribed to you? I know for a fact testosterone has to be prescribed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the open one, 9, 10. Total 10 needles. Total 10 needles.
Developing for 85 on Lake Richmond.
2 bottles of testosterone.
2 bottles of testosterone. 3 bottles, whatever this is. Test.
Lake Richmond, 4214 Lake Richmond. Percent neighbor that jumped on her brother.
3 bottles of that?
Yeah.
3 bottles.
285 Sierra, the caller has a brother. Black male, no shirt, dark tan.
INJ. So that means injection? Winstraw, INJ.
Okay. 3 bottles of that, 10 needles, and then he's got his own prescribed medications. This is not prescribed. I'm gonna put that in there. This doesn't have a prescription with his name on it, but it doesn't also look to be prescribed. What's up?
Want to help me out? Hurt me.
What?
What is your deal?
What's your deal, man?
You always trying to hurt someone? You can't help
Nobody's
them?
trying to hurt anybody.
Bullshit.
Alright, check it out.
Your camera's on too.
You know what? I'm sorry?
Your camera's been on the whole time, right?
Absolutely.
Well,
All 6 of us.
I hope so.
Okay, so you stay right there. Alright, so in your bag, this is all your property, right?
Lacey?
I'm sorry? This is you have that bag on, and I think I have what kind of phone you have?
One that you shouldn't have, this having
It has the case with the little stand on the back. It has the case with the little stand on the back, right? And then you have the brown wallet. And then inside your...
That's the only people that can have my phone.
I'm sorry?
Cyber unit?
Cyber unit?
I see someone.
You see the cyber unit? Okay.
You shouldn't have pressed it.
I'm
It's
sorry?
not even the same agency.
Okay. I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't know cyber unit. There's no cyber unit.
Check your Bodycam. You had said it.
Okay, cyber unit, got it. Okay, so I'm going to read you some questions, and then I'm going to read you your rights, basically. You tell me yes or no, okay? All right, cyber unit?
You're not the cyber unit, that's the problem.
All right. All right, so I found some stuff in your fanny pack. I want to talk to you about it, so I'm going to read you your rights, okay?
I don't know what you put anywhere.
You have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
Doesn't matter what you charge me.
Scott, do you wish to answer these questions, yes or no?
What questions?
No? Do you wish to talk to me? Or no?
This is a joke.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
The cyber unit. You told me that you were them. You are not.
You have the right to remain silent, do you understand?
You're an impersonator. Plain and simple.
I don't know if you want to talk to him, but he's...
Hey, Mr. Scott, are you refusing to talk to us, or are we just going to go based off what we found?
Based off your body cam, sir.
Okay, that's perfect. Yeah.
Miranda versus Arizona governed the booking interrogation. Officers properly advised rights before questioning. When the suspect invoked his right or demonstrated inability to waive it, officers appropriately ceased questioning. The bag search was a lawful inventory search under State versus Wells, serving dual purposes. Cataloging property prevents theft claims. Discovering contraband ensures officer safety. Unprescribed testosterone with injection equipment constitutes drug paraphernalia. Under Florida statute 893.147, officers earn a B+. Excellent legal compliance, textbook de-escalation, and proportional force. Multiple verbal contacts, supervisory consultation, and formal warning before entry demonstrated proper procedure. Minor deficiency, chaotic commands during entry, though this rarely affects dynamic situations. The suspect receives an F. Refused to vacate after checkout, committed trespass after formal warning. physically resisted arrest under Section 843.02, and possessed drug paraphernalia under 893.147. Hotel management earns an A- for understanding legal rights and providing proper documentation. Key lessons. First, transient occupancy law creates clear distinctions between hotel guests and tenants. Second, de-escalation through multiple verbal attempts is legally protective and tactically sound. Third, Graham's three-factor test provides clear framework for proportional force decisions. Fourth, proper Miranda compliance protects Fifth Amendment rights and statement admissibility. This case demonstrates how constitutional policing and tactical professionalism coexist in challenging circumstances. Let us know what topics you'd like analyzed in the comments, and check out our second channel for more content.